Raman went for a magic show. And what did he see in the magic show? Well, the magician had some salt and some sugar with him. And he said that he will make both of them disappear. So, how did he do that? Well, what he did was he added some salt in water and then stirred it. And after some time, what he got was clear water. There was no sign of salt in it. It was amazing. Next, he added some sugar in the same water and then he stirred it again. And after some time, again there was clear water. There was no sign of sugar in it. Now, Raman was very excited with this magic. He thought that he will also show this same magic to his cousins and earn their praise. So, he sat on the dining table, and on the dining table, he already had salt and pepper bottles. Now, he made his cousins Ramesh and Somesh sit on the same table. And then he said he will mix salt in water and then he will make the salt disappear. But he made a small mistake. Instead of picking up the salt bottle, he picked up the pepper bottle and he mixed pepper in water. What exactly happened then? Well, the pepper did not really mix in water. It did not disappear. Now, Raman was really dejected, and Ramesh and Somesh both made a lot of fun of him. So he was really disappointed. At that time, his mother came and explained him that not all things mix with water in the same way. So Raman thought that maybe the magician had some magical water with him, because of which he was able to make salt and sugar disappear. But his mother said that it's a normal property of water. That is, there are some things which will completely disappear in it, that is, completely mix with it. There are some things like pepper which will not mix with it no matter how many times you stir it. So you see, there are some things which are soluble in water, that is, they mix completely in water or in any liquid. So such things are salt and sugar. Now, if you add salt or sugar to water, then you will get clear water in some time. That means they are soluble in water. So you see, some things are soluble in water and they have a special name. So when a substance mixes in a liquid and gives a clear liquid, then we call it a solution. That is, when a substance mixes in a liquid, it forms a solution. So we have got a solution here. Now, the substance which is added is called the solute. So here, for example, sugar is being added. So sugar is the solute in this solution. And sugar is being mixed in what? It is mixed in water. That is why water is the solvent. So the liquid in which it mixes is called the solvent. And here water is the solvent. So after learning all this, Raman said that he will try 4 different things and see which are soluble and which are not in water. So he took sugar, salt, sand and a nail polish remover, and he tried to mix all of them in water. So let's see what he got. So first of all, he mixed sugar in water, and what he got was clear water. That means sugar is soluble in water. Now let's see salt. So when he added salt, then what happened? Even then he got a clear water. That means salt is also soluble in water. That is, it mixes completely with water. Now, when he added nail polish remover, he was expecting a different result. But it also mixed with water completely. That is, it gave crystal clear water. That means nail polish remover is also soluble in water. Now we will see what happens with sand. Now, as the sand was added in water, it was seen that it did not mix. You can clearly see sand particles present in water. So that means sand is insoluble in water. That is, if you add sand to water, it will not completely mix with water, and it is insoluble in water. So what we learned today is that there are different things which will act differently when mixed with a liquid. For example, if you add sand to water, then it will be insoluble in water. While if you add things like salt or sugar or even nail polish remover, these are soluble in water and will give you clear water. So that's why some things are soluble in liquids and some are insoluble in liquids. So now you can also show a magic trick just like Raman without making a mistake, because now you know which things are soluble and which things are insoluble in water. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.